Just because you say it doesn't mean he's gonna. He'll go fast when he gets comfortable.
Yeah.
Are you YouTubing it, Mariah? Good, because I lost the last one.
Are you making a video?
See, I don't know how to do that on my phone.
Are you making a video?
Video?
Of course I do.
Record it?
You go to the settings and press,
Honey, just because you tell me doesn't mean Grammy's going to remember how to do it.
I'll show you when I post this one on YouTube. See him knocking their head. You go like,
Camera. That one
The red one?
is record, and that's just a picture. So you hit record.
Oh, okay.
Now it's recording.
Thank you. You want that thing?
Go a little faster.
okay.
She's making a video about the big bike.
This is my grandson, Mason. He's pretty proud of himself right now, showing me for the first time in person.
He's watching it.
I know.
You can't just do that.
He's pretty proud of himself himself.
He knows what I mean.
I'll show you how to do it.
Watch. I'll show you.
He thinks he's a little speedster. He does. He does.
Whoa! Oh, he almost fell off.
Stay here. You two stay here with me.
He's okay.
I could have died of that.
He's okay.
all right.
He's okay.
When that happens, you guys, you let Mom go. You two stay planted right where you are.
How are they going to get the dude back out?
Mom, I'll get it.
He got so close to the road. That scared me.
I'm so worried about that.
There's thorns in there. This thing's hurt.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad he's got all that gear on.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
he didn't have gear on, he would get really hurt and he'd
Yes, he
start
would.
flying.
That's why I don't go like,
Mama.
He's supposed to stay on this side of the bushes.
I only drive it. I don't shift. I'm not Mason. I just ride it for
When she
fun.
was trying to ride, she popped a big wheel.
I
and she
know.
fell
She's
off.
told me, and you've told me like 20 times now.
Yeah, you should have recorded it. I cried a little bit after because it was my first time doing a wheel. I was
It was probably
terrified.
scary.
Yeah, very scary. I thought I was gonna crash into the tree.